Pag yung mga tupada, agad-agad nahuli nyo. Kayo sa PNP, meron pa nga dyan, natutongis lang ng mga marites, nire-raid yung bahay, tapos hulihin nyo. Yung nakaka-recross at sa TODA, ng mga tricycle driver, hinuhuli nyo. Pero ito hindi nyo kayang hulihin. Mas malaki to.
Sa Region 3, hindi ho talaga matinag-tinag ito. Well, alam naman ho natin kung sino ang nasa likod nito. Sa Region 4A, ganun din. Sa CAR, Cordillera, alam din ho ninyo, PNP, kung sino nagpapatakbo. Politician din. Doon sa Region 3, pamilya ng politiko. Region 4, ganun din. May idea na kayo. Tama naman ho si Senator Raffy. Anong ginagawa ng intelligence fund ninyo?
And amounting to 1.3 billion pesos. Sana pupunta yung Intel funds ninyo. And then CICC. Napakainutin nyo sa CICC. Kayo DICT, napakainutin nyo maging NBI. Mr. Chair, can I show a video? Live video? That's Isabong. Real time. It's happening right now. It's been happening since last year. That's Isabong. And I think the source of that is located in Central Luzon, somewhere in Central Luzon. That's live. That's Isabong. Now, my question to the PNP ACG, are you aware of this? And the CICC, the Cybercrime Investigation Coordinating Center, as well as the Anti-Cybercrime of the NBI, especially the PNP. You were given 1.3 billion pesos in Intel funds last year, and this started last year pa.
Yes, sir. We are aware of that, sir. Actually,
So kung you were aware, ba't hindi nyo hinuli? Illegal to.
that's online, sir. We have already submitted to the ICT and TCN CICC for the takedown. And continuous, sir, yung aming ano.
When did you submit that to the DICT and CICC, said or PAGCOR? When was it submitted? Last year pa po ito.
May I check, sir, with our data?
May you check? You know na itong pag-uusapan natin at hindi mo paalam pala kung kailan nyo pinorward.
Yes, sir.
This is very important kasi
We are
this is illegal.
submitting every month, sir.
Pinahinto na ito ni Presidente, itong Isabong, ni
Yes, sir.
PBBM. And yet, it exists since last year. At marami, Mr. Chair, ang nalululong dito. As a matter of fact, meron na mga kabataan na nalulong dito na naman. May mga barbero, taxi driver habang nagmamaneho, nag-iisabong. Security guard na nasibak sa pwesto sa kanilang trabaho dahil nalulong sa isabong at nagsumbong yung mga misis sa action center ko. PNP, CICC,
Mr. Chair,
DICT, NBI.
with the permission of General Asueta, sir. Yes, sir, we have monitored this and we have already taken steps. We have already asked the platforms to have it taken down. If you notice this particular feed, Mr. Chair, it already contains a modified version or a /1 version. Ibig mo sabihin, yung mga original na videos niyan, na-take down na ho namin. But,
No, this is live.
yes po, Mr. Chair. Parang ano na ho to, ni-re-up na ho to, ibang site na ho to, ang ibang account na ho to. Pero Mr. Chair, tama ho kayo na it's an ongoing problem because in the platforms, they are being streamed or they are being promoted on sponsored sites. That's why I asked for a meeting already with the platforms regarding their policies when it comes to advertising of these illegal gaming platforms, Mr. Chair.
But you know, Yusek Paraiso, na hindi dapat pinapakita ito.
We
online
agree, Mr. Chair.
Dahil bawal.
We agree,
Kaya
Mr.
nga,
Chair.
sabi ng PNP, since last year pa, tinimbre na ro sa inyo, tinimbre sa PAGCOR, sa NBI, and yet wala kayong ginagawa for the past few months.
Mr. Chair,
Why?
Mr. Chair,
Kasi sandali lang, kasi pag yung mga tupada, agad-agad nahuli nyo. Kayo sa PNP, meron pa nga dyan, natutongis na ng mga marites, nire-raid yung bahay, tapos hulihin nyo. Yung nakaka-recross at sa TODA, ng mga tricycle driver, hinuhuli nyo. Pero ito hindi nyo kayang hulihin. Mas malaki to.
For the record, sir, dun sa ating isabong monitoring from July 2022 up to present, we have already monitored 7,814 platform or website, and 7,135 were already blocked by our internet service provider. Of course,
Yeah, sir, yung sinasabi
Yes,
mo, sir, yung sinasabi mo, guerrilla, ito po yung pinakamalaki. At ang may-ari nito, kingpin na gambling lord sa Central Luzon.
yes, sir.
So hindi nyo sa kayang galawin? Kingpin to, yung mga pinatake down nyo, yun yung mga guerrilla kung tawagan. You know the word guerrilla, tama? Yung maliliit lang, mga pipitsugin, pasulpot-sulpot. Pero ito, big time to, kingpin to. Never na ginalaw to, ever since the start, from the get-go, never na ginalaw ito. Kahit man ng kalabitin, never na kinalabit to.
With the indulgence of Senator Raffy, may I interject? Ito po, dun sa PNP, sa CICC, NBI, simula nang pinatigil po ito, hindi naman po nawala ang online sabong, illegal nga lang. Ang problema, tama po si Senator Raffy, sa Region 3, hindi ho talaga matinag-tinag ito. Well, alam naman ho natin kung sino ang nasa likod nito. Sa Region 4A, ganun din. Sa CAR, Cordillera, alam din ho ninyo, PNP, kung sino ang nagpapatakbo, politician din. Doon sa Region 3, pamilya ng politiko. Region 4, ganun din. May idea na kayo, tama naman ho si Senator Raffy, anong ginagawa ng intelligence fund ninyo? Senator Raffy, go ahead.
And amounting to 1.3 billion pesos. Sana pupunta yung Intel funds ninyo. And then CICC. Napakainutin nyo sa CICC. Kayo DICT, napakainutin nyo maging NBI. So kung tama yung, kung nagsasabi na totoo itong si General Asueta na inirefer na pala sa inyo, last year pa, and yet it's been how many months? 6 months? Hanggang ngayon, hindi nyo pa rin natitake down ito?
Mr. Chair, with
Ano
the-
ba, incompetent kayo or tamad kayo or pasok kayo?
Mr. Chair, we've been fighting this battle, Mr. Chair, to be fair to all law enforcement agencies and the capabilities of CICC. We've been asking and we've been taking down sites both from the social media platforms and from the internet.
Sorry,
However,
sir, to interrupt, sir. Sorry, I'm sorry, Yusek. Yes, meron kayong mga dinown. Again, ulitin ko, yung mga dinown ninyo na sinumbong ng PNP, yun yung mga pipitsugin, yun yung mga guerrilla, kung tawagin. Alam niyo na yung term na guerrilla, di ba? Pero ito, yung pinakamalaki sa buong Pilipinas, hindi nyo kayang i-take down, na located sa Central Luzon. Na ang may-ari nito, kilala naman ninyo siguro kung sino siya, kingpin siya sa gambling.
Mr.
You
Chair,
know that, at hindi nyo magalaw-galaw. It's been going on for so many months.
Mr. Chair, what we take down is what's referred to us by the PNP and our law enforcement agency as
Okay,
well
so
as...
sandali lang. So PNP, hindi nyo nireport ito kasi ang sabi niya, kung ano lang nireport daw ninyo, yun lang daw tinitake down nila. Para mapabilis na tayo.
Yun nga,
So
sir.
ito ba nirefer nyo sa PNP? Ay sa CICC?
Yes, sir.
Yes o no lang?
Yes, sir. As mentioned by CICC, sir, ang modus ng ating itong mga...
No, sir. Huwag kang magpasikot-sikot dyan.
Yes, sir.
Ito ba, itong site na ito, na pag-aari ng isang kingpin na gambling lord sa Central Luzon, ito na mismo, last year pa ito, nag-ooperate. Ito ba ay nirefer nyo sa CICC, itong mismong site na ito? Yes o no lang? Last year. Huwag kang magsinungaling.
Let me check my record, sir. I'm not sure, sir, but based on our data,
What?
sir, 7,135.
No, sir, I'm not talking about the 7,000, even 7 million, I don't care.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the numbers that you're giving me now. What I care about is this site. Itong pinakamalaki. Yung 7,000, yung mga guerrilla yun. Yung mapipitsugin yun, na kung sino-sino lang ang nagmamayari. Ito, ang mayari ito ay kingpin, big-time gambling lord sa buong Pilipinas. Kilala mo ito kung sino siya?
Yes, sir. Napatake,
Yung banday lang, kaya hindi niya siya magalaw-galaw?
Maraming, sir, napatake down from the, sir. Pero kung nag-change siya agad, as mentioned by CICC, so yun yung
No, sir,
continuous
he
monitoring.
never changed. Yan pa rin yung site since last year.
Mr. Chair, with the permission of the Chair. Mr. Chair, if this is, just to elaborate on what General Asueta is saying, napatake down namin itong particular company na to po. Pero nung pinatake down namin, nagbago ho siya ng site, nagkaroon lang siya /1. Just to emphasize and just to illustrate, Mr. Chair, within the day po, mapapatake down namin itong particular site na to.
So can you take it down right
Yes,
now, today?
yes,
Okay.
Mr. Chair. And then,
Eh kung wala palang hearing, di matitake down to.
no, Mr. Chair. Kaya nga, we rely on what's being reported to us at saka yung namomonitor natin. Ang nangyayari po kasi, pag tinake down natin, gumagawa sila ng bago site, nire-redirect nila dun yung mga ano nila.
Then sundan nyo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Trabaho nyo po yun eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At may Intel funds yung PNP for that. So kung sila yung nag-open ng another site, sundan nyo, ipasara nyo ulit. Ganun lang yun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At alam mo naman pala, nag-open ulit sila. So aware ka, and yet you're not doing anything about it.
Mr. Chair, nagte-threat monitoring center ho tayo. Tapos, yun, sinusundan namin yung mga sites na yan. Minsan kasi binabago yung mga pangalan, minsan nag-i-/1 na po sila.
Alright, that's it for now. Mamaya na lang yung mga sunod na katanungan ko. That's just my opening statement. Thank you, Mr. Chair.